To fix a problem where your Soundcore Space One won't charge, first we need to make sure that our device is powered off. Now that it's off, by holding the power button for around 3 seconds, we can look at the USB-C port, which is used for a charging. As you can see, it's very dirty. If you have a same problem that the charging port is dirty, use the something like SIM ejection tool, or the same thickness of it at least, and then try to remove any of the dust or anything that is inside of your charging port. Okay, seems clean for me. Now we can grab a cable that is connected to the charger and see if it works now. And as you can see, the charging is working fine.